In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Grammarly to improve your writing. So I'm going to show you how you can use Grammarly as a complete beginner, and I do want you to know that this is simply the free version that you can add by going onto the Chrome Web Store and then adding this to your Chrome Web Store page, whatever you want to call it. So here we are on Grammarly itself. So this is just a quick demo that I'm going to be using to show you guys, to showcase what this software or plugin can do for you. So with Grammarly, you can mainly improve your writing. So for example, this is going to be a demo document and we've got this text right there. So first of all, what you can do is change all of this stuff. Now on the right hand side, you'll see all alerts. So what Grammarly does is that it's basically gonna scan the entire text and they'll know what's going wrong or what you can improve. So if you then take a look at the right hand side, you can see all alerts. So for this specific text over here, I've got 16 alerts. The red ones are going to be spelling. So these are spelling mistakes. So if you're not too great at spelling in English or any other country, this is a great tool because this is going to help you out, which is awesome. So what you can do is simply hold on it, like hover on it, and then you can click on misspellings. You can click on effect and make it look like effect, punctuation, just like that, commas, showed would be show, red would be but, and that's exactly how you can do all of this stuff. So by using this specific software, it makes it very easy to improve your writing, as all of this is done automatically. Now on the right hand side, you can also see your mistakes broken down into specific categories. For example, correctness, I've got one mistake or one alert, which is commas. Change it and then it's gone, looking good. Clarity, so some of this stuff is a bit unclear. So what you can do is click on it. It would then show you where the problem is at. What you can then do is simply click on it and you'll see what actually is the problem. So can possibly creates a tautology. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but you guys get the point. So what I recommend doing is just getting rid of it. So what you can do is click remove and there you go, it's done. If you click right there, boom. So you can see that by using the Grammarly plugin or like extension, it makes it very, very easy to improve your writing. So all you need to do is simply put in the text into the software and then pretty much use all of the alerts on the right hand side, because those are going to make sure that your text is actually looking great. So this is just a quick demo. So what is next? Sign up for a Grammarly account by clicking the sign up button at the bottom of this screen. Start writing. So I'm going to do that right now and then I'll get back to you guys. And here we are. So once you've created a free account, you'll end up right there. You can go to the homepage, My Grammarly, and then what you can do is simply upload a new file. You can also go to your account, which will look like this, and you can see all of your personal information. But if you go to My Grammarly, what you can do is click upload right here, and you can then upload an entire document. For example, if I would have to upload this one, I can click open. And then what it's going to do, it's going to upload the file and it's also going to help me do this. So what you can do is set goals for this specific file that you're just about to open, right? So you can do the audience, general, knowledgeable, or expert. So this one is good. Next up, we've got formality. So you can go with informal, neutral, or formal. Domain, academic, business, general, email. So this one is going to be a business one. So you can simply click on the one that you would like to add and then use it. So if I just click done, there we go. So once again, this is pretty similar to what I just did. So I'm just going to change all of this stuff right away so that it just fits and all of it is perfect. I don't even have to, okay, on Word, it's going to be YouTube. So Tim is also a name, so we'll change that. And there we go. I just changed the text and right now it's perfect. That's how easy it actually is to use it. Pretty cool, right? Now let's say that you don't want to do this, but you actually want to do this live. So once you're writing a document on Google Docs, for example, what you can do is turn on Grammarly. So click turn it on and there it is. This should now be turned on. So if you're going to write an essay, so if I say in this video and spell that wrong, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do this wrong on purpose, show you how to build a website. So you can see I clearly made some mistakes, and Grammarly then comes in and make sure that you can change it easily. So video should be video, I'm should be with that, and then build should be with a D, of course. And there we go. So that's how you can use Grammarly on Google Docs as well. Pretty easy. So when writing a text, it's easy to change your mistakes, just like that. And then what you can do, you can see some of it already gets changed by Google itself, but you can do this, you can do this, you can do this, and there we go. So that's pretty much how you can improve your spelling and writing with Grammarly, and that's just the free extension. So don't worry, like, you don't have to purchase this if you don't want to. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can easily use Grammarly. Pretty easy, pretty simple. In the bottom right corner, you'll then see this. There's one advanced issue, but it's only for premium users. Now, you never know if that's actually legit or if they're just trying to get you into the premium plan. But honestly, the free one is fine. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.